Okay, here we go. I got called out by a subscriber on YouTube. When I did the Fimco 20-gallon sprayer video, I did make a promise that I'd do a 1-year review, but guess what? Life happens and I forgot about it. So, we're getting ready to come out here and take a look at it, and I'm going to tell you what I think of it after 3 years. And I'm happy with it. Let's go look at it. Here we go. Just got my daughter's mower up and running. Well, it was running just fine. It just needed a tune-up. Long behind due for that. So the old Husky, she's tuned up and running, and I cut grass in my yard with it yesterday just to affirm that everything's done. This winter she's going to get a completely rebuilt deck, because she is about 8 years old, maybe 5 years old, something like that. Anyway, here we go. Here's the Fimco sprayer. Everything on it still works like it should. No issues whatsoever. I kind of had to make this little thing here to keep my wires organized there, because it is a little cumbersome stretching that wire out and trying to get on and off the mower and everything. But the only thing that I've broken on it, I don't know if you can, well, I'm pretty sure you can see it, but that little nipple coming out the bottom of the tank, I broke that off when I was unloading it off a trailer and had it full of chemicals. Well, that was a stupid mistake on me. That's my fault. So, is what it is. Got a replacement real easy and no problem. I did swap that little hitch around to make it like a raised hitch, because I just needed a little bit more ground clearance, because I'm going across a few little small hills here and there. Everything still works good. Today's project is going to be spot spraying for fire ants, which is always a fight around here, especially after we go for a long dry spell like we did, and then all of a sudden we got tons of rain, and these boogers has moved in everywhere. Well, we fixed to put the woe back on them. Now, here's something that you need to know about this thing. I use it with my John Deere X340. The X340 is not a Walmart or a Lowe's mower. As a matter of fact, they don't make the X340 anymore, because I wish they did. This one's about 14, 15 years old. Still runs like a champ. Runs like a beast. Normal wear stuff, you know, a coil here and there, that kind of mess. But I change the oil twice a year, and that twice a year is in the middle of the cutting season. At the beginning of the cutting season, and about half to 3/4 through the cutting season, I change the oil. Now, the advantage of me using this sprayer with this mower is, this being a commercial size mower has a more robust charging system. And, well, it won't kill the battery using this sprayer. But what I have found out from spraying over at my daughter's house, that this booger, it will spray just fine, but it'll kill the battery, because this Husky does not have quite the charging system that one over there has, especially that one needs to pull this kind of equipment behind it. That's something to take in consideration. Solution to that would be to find some way to mount a separate battery just for your pump on the tongue somehow, somewhere. That will be up to you, however you decide to do it. But all in all, I am happy with this Fimco sprayer. It's been 3 years now, and I have no trouble. But there again, keep in mind, if you buy it, think about the charging system on your mower, because this one will do it, this one won't. Now, if you're doing something small, you know, well less than an acre, then that would probably work just fine. But on this house, I'm doing 3 acres, 3.5 acres. My daughter's is doing 2.5 acres. So it is a stress on that charging system. Just something to keep in mind. But other than that, I'm happy with it. Now, I'm fixing to come out here and get rid of some fire ants. Oh man, it's 9 in the morning. Already 97 degrees, and I think my little weather station said it was 71, 72% humidity. Woohoo! Fun thing about that is this was gonna be worse than that this weekend, and I got to work on deer stands this weekend. That's gonna be fun. Oh well, y'all have a good one. I'm fixing to go kill some critters, some little red critters. You can make your life miserable. Fire ants.